Yo, what's up, guys? It's Nick here with some raw day trading, and today I did just over $300 after fees. Let me see here. Yep, just over $300 after fees, and the main winner that I had today was on INVO during power hour. Into the evening, we had INVO holding up here and then moving and really just like unloading there. I was able, during this move, I scalped it a couple times and found some corners, and I was getting really good fills, and all that together with a couple thousand shares each time in and out, I was up $200, $300, and that put me green on the day. I was actually down about $50 for most of the day. Verb was the main. Oh, sorry. Let me actually put the screen to. There we go. Yeah, INVO over here. This move right here. I think I made a little bit here, but then really kind of capitalized right there in that 2 minutes and caught some nice scalps on this kind of consolidation range. And then besides that, I mean, that was pretty much my day. I'm up 300 on that, almost to the penny. And everything else was about break even. I was down $50 after fees. TVGN, this one, was the name that I traded, I think, the most shares on, and I am down $15 on it, which is annoying. What happened was I saw it moving right here. I saw it moving, no, not there. I saw it moving right here. Nothing else was going on. I wanted it to pull back a little bit, but it ended up wanting to just keep on continuing higher, higher, higher. And at that point, I felt like I missed the move. I tried trading the backside a little bit, and I lost a little bit of money. I was up maybe $60 on it at one point, $100 on it at one point, which is basically a very small stop out with 3,000 shares, and so I was break even on it basically. And yeah, that's about it. It started to get this very characteristic algo looking action here, where it's just like pinned in between a penny, and everything just kind of becomes meaningless. Then I tried it a few times up in here. I think that's where I lost the money. And yeah, that's about it. When I came into the open today, I was not prepared. I was okay prepared, but I didn't do my regular morning, have my morning time, and I was kind of rushing getting coffee, rushing drinking water. Probably didn't drink enough water. And then what I heard a lot of people played Verb, and this stuff for me is just garbaggio. I'm just not good at it, which means I'm just basically a basic trader. There's a little self-hatred right there. But no, I love myself. And this one I knew was going to be tricky. I knew I didn't have the capability in the morning to like trade it well. It was going kind of straight up into the open here, and I did not want to get caught out of the open in a halt or so, but it did consolidate here for a few candles, and this would have been a decent place to take some trades on it. Also, this break over here was nice. Yeah, but again, those are not my bread and butter. I tend to size aggressively on them and then lose aggressively and then fake myself out when the move is actually going. So, anyways, maybe we can check to see, check the video, check the tape, and see what we got. All right. Oh yeah, this drug really powered into the after hours, hitting this gap level. There's like a very small gap at 364. I was not a part of that. I watched it, but I was not a part of it. Let's see here. 623. Is the one? Yeah, verb. Okay, so verb into the open. Yeah, I was not. I was a half an hour into being awake. I was like, whatever. I was just not amused with anything. X-Pawn, more like tampon. It was no bueno. It did, just fast forward to stuff that I took notice of. It did this kind of like really sideways consolidation pattern right there, and then ended up breaking down later. Verb, I took it off my charts. I don't think I wanted to be tempted. I don't know. I took it off as it halted down right there. I was like, I don't know. This is just a distraction at this point, but it's good to trade. I do want to see how this candle played out right here at 32. All right, so it breaks below 14. Breaks below 14 again, but it's not really dying. You would have got slip if you bought right there, and you'd be getting filled about 14.20. That'd be a sketchy place to hold, but let's say you're holding a little bit, holding. Okay, you're trying to get out at the highs above, maybe up at 15. That would be the target, right? Then you'd be still holding and like, oh. So it does a double check down there at the bottom. I think mainly because it doesn't go. And then it kind of pops back up. Get a little bit of bid support in there. It's kind of just like churning here. It's not really, there's no decisive movement yet. I would be trying to get out above 50 here, I think. Yeah, this is hard action to stay in through. Hmm. Bye-bye. And then there's the halt up. All right, now we're going to watch the halt resumption here. It's going to resume at, oh, it's going to resume at the close of Close of 40 minutes. Oh. Let's watch that one more time. That was fast. Yeah, so if you're buying at 16 there, you're losing. You bought the dip. Which dip? What do you? If you bought that, you'd win. If you cut it. Huh. It is really low volume. All right. And then that's it for that. TWG, it was a continuation name from yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's about it on the, oh yeah, here's the TGVN move. You can watch this. Where did I come at it at from? Yeah. So I came out here. The problem was like I could have just taken a position, but it was coming into resistance. It was not even zoomed in. I didn't see any of the candles or anything. It doesn't look fantastic, although it is sharply coming higher. And I was fumbling around trying to get my third level of decimal in, and I got the third level of decimal in, and by that point, 95, 96, I'm like, should I just jump in for one? And it looks like there's a seller there. The seller breaks, I could buy there. That would have been a buy. And boom, cut. All right. Well, how about on the halt open? What does this halt open look like? 745. Found your 1 inch a second. So it's not indicating any higher. Not that that really matters. Buy. Oh, I tried to bid in. Yeah, I should have marketed. It's okay. Huh. Be tricky because I'd be holding break even at this point. Cut. Buy. Cut. Buy. There we go. Come on. Go. 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 You can do it. Boosh. There it is. Higher. Higher. Whoa, there's a speed up on the level 2. Cut. Right there. It's holding. Whoa, and it just teleports into it. Nice. All right. Well, there's a couple examples of the action that went on today. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace out.